583 Edward Robert. It's like an Asian male. We're passing Marshall from Roseville. Coming up to Ridgeway. Alright, turn in right on Churchill. Right on Churchill. Left on Division. Second. Traffic's fine. Speed's 88. We're coming up to Midland. Right on Midland. Correction, straight on Midland. I bumped him in the intersection. He got through. Just past Northwest. Alright, coming up to 6. 36. Alright, he's in the ditch, and he began passing on a pig. Headed towards downtown, slowing down. Crossing North 6, north and north. West on North 7, turning North O, headed back towards Midland. Alvin Bradley Senior Lane, or North 8th. Back to North End North. Clear, clear, clear. Alright, there's no traffic. We're about 50 right now. Back on Midland. We're right. Going to be heading towards the downtown area if we stay right.
Okay, back on this.
Past North End. We're passing the Wide Awake Cafe on North 10. Passing North Ida. Speed's 90. No traffic. Coming up to North A. Correction, North B. He's on the red light and proceeding through. Coming up to Garrison. No traffic, no pedestrians. Speed 60. We're coming right in front of the police department. Alright, behind the jail. On Cornell.
We're behind the jail.
Headed back to Wheeler. We're in a parking lot here. Still behind the jail. Going in circles in a parking lot. Headed back towards Wheeler. Alright, we're on Wheeler southbound. Passing South B-Boy.
Southbound, South B-Boy.
Passing South D as in David. Speeds 100 miles an hour. Traffic's light. He's got a blue shirt on, no helmet, like khaki shorts and some blue Jordans. Passing South I. Just past South O. Speeds 110. Traffic's light. We're passing the Dollar General, South Y. Alright, there's a deputy in front of me. Crossing Fresno. Alright, got a deputy behind me. Passing Houston on Wheeler. Speeds 120. No traffic in our lane. Original stop was for expired tags. We're coming up to Phoenix. Red light on Phoenix. And he blew through Phoenix. Still continuing. No traffic. Speeds 100. Coming up to 0. Alright, notify Oklahoma. We're right on 0. 0 and 5th. We're headed to Oklahoma. I'm going to end up losing where we're at. Past state line. Alright, we turned around. We're headed back to Fort Smith, coming right in front of the deputy.
I'm gonna be straight up on 0. I'm coming up to it now.
Alright, he's going to be coming quick. He's coming to Phoenix. Alright, left on Wheeler, 31, you call it if you got it.
Okay, here I'm calling. We're northbound on Wheeler. Our speeds are still climbing up to about 80 right now. Light traffic. Three, they're coming at us.
Probably release the town. I'm staying back.
We're still northbound, coming up to Fresno. Speed, I'm at 110. I'm right in front of y'all. Hey, 3, we're going to try to slow him down, get him boxed in. You good with that? Yes, sir. Hey, go secondary, go secondary. I think about 87, Wheeler northbound still. Don't get up there, let's try to keep boxed in. still northbound, about 120, passing the train track. We coming to downtown Portsmouth, about 112. How's your traffic? Light traffic. We passing the Rogers right now.
Going through a red light.
Yeah, 7 got the lead. We're coming up to Garrison. North through Garrison. South to North A. Passing North J. Johnson, 100, no traffic. No one's walking. I'm coming up to North X, they got North 6 again. North 6 again.
Thank you, Rick.
Left it out in Dakota. I'm trying to take it back up. Then walking in, I'm coming up behind you.
Get out! Hey, get down! Right now, man. Look over. Who the fuck you think you're running from? Who the fuck you think you're running from? Come on, I got him. I got him. Move your hand. Yeah, go. Move your hand.
Felonies! Get up! Get up! Felonies! Yay! You get to go to prison. Good job. Start 10-11.
Oh, look at this. Oh, because of that? Because of that? This is a misdemeanor. That's it. Misdemeanor at the most. I gotta do that. I throw that on the ground and stomp on it. Oh, fuck. When I got it, I think I got my hand. Yeah, I'm good. You got it. It's all over your shirt. It's.
Start at 10-16, he's bleeding pretty good.
I got something. I'm a second stop bleeding.
I got some stuff.
I can hurt my hand. Fuck. What?
His last name is two last names.
Good? Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop my hand though.
Frank Ocean Lincoln,
No.
George Adam Robert.
Can't close it.
Another one is
broke?
Athena.
No, it's not broke.
Something for the
Marietta,
Yeah,
David,
yeah.
Ida, Dora, Adam.
You need a 10-16?
Nah, I mean they're gonna come here either way.
Well, we
check it.
Fernando, 1997, August 20th, 0820, 1997. This is a passport, so 954.
This will be the driver's license.
Man, I'll need a 1011 for this bike.
I have one left for my car. You messed it up?
Smoking, dude.
Man,
Thank you.
that has something for it. There you go. Driver's side door. Driver's side.
Ambulance is coming, so try to stop the police a little bit.
¿Sabe inglés? No. Ok, bueno, yo lo voy a traducir, ¿ok? Ok. Ok, le voy a decir, I'm gonna read his vice versa in Spanish because he doesn't know how to speak English.
583 Evan Robert, but it shows ownership seized.
No. No puede contestar.
Evan Robert.
I'm gonna read his right. He doesn't really know English, so I'm gonna read to him in Spanish. Ok, esos son tus derechos, mire. Tiene derecho a permanecer silencio. Cualquier cosa que digas puede ser usada y será usada en contra suya en corte. Tiene derecho de hablar con un abogado y que esté presente contigo cuando sea interrogado. Si no tienes la disponibilidad económica para encontrar a un abogado, uno se te proporcionará para que te represente antes de algún interrogatorio. También puedes dejar a un lado tu derecho de permanecer en silencio y tu derecho de solicitar un abogado y puede proceder a contestar cualquier pregunta o hacer cualquier comentario que desee. Si decide contestar las preguntas, puede pasar en el momento que desee y reclamar tu derecho de estar un abogado. ¿Entendió? Dice, ¿entiendes lo que le leí? Okay. So, ahorita no puede hacer llamada hasta que una vez que va a la corte lo procesen, entonces le van a poder hacer una llamada. Nada. ¿No es nada malo qué? No. Mire, sí miró todo lo que pasó usted. ¿Usted cree que se merece un derecho a fumar un cigarro? Eso fue todo. ¿Sabe esa velocidad se puede matar? Puede matar a alguien inocente. Tanta gente caminando por el downtown Fort Smith. ¿Usted cree que no es malo?